So in this section, we're going to talk about the lessons that we learned about strategic system thinking. So the game that we played had 4 rules. The first rule was that we have to throw 3 pencil cases through everyone. The second rule was that we have to have the same order. The third rule was that it was 1 pencil case per time. And the fourth rule was that everything that was not forbidden was allowed. So what happened? In the first attempt, we were all standing in a circle and we started throwing from one place to another, like this. And this takes us 30 seconds. But then on the second attempt, we realized that it was better if we started standing one side and another in the same order that we started. So we were passing the pencil case from one hand to another hand, so that diminished the time for 12 seconds.
And on the third round, we did a vertical line, and then we put all our hands in a pile, and then reduced time to 8 seconds. At the fourth and most effective one, we did a hand flow, so it was all simultaneously happening. One person was running around with a pencil case, so we reduced the number of efforts that had to be performed by one person. It was not only an interesting game, but a very insightful one, because out of that we came up with 3 lessons. For example, that we have norms in a system that we take for granted. For example, in the first round, we had one person who was throwing the case to another, and then we all accepted it as a rule and started following him. Then also we were keeping the rules and we're not thinking creatively on how we can improve the game. So that's also norms which were preventing us to do so. Another thing is self-organization. As we were kind of a system, we first were not able to communicate in a good way, but then later, after some rounds, we started to organize ourselves and improve to reach better results and to have one goal as a team. And the third one is diminishing returns. As you can see from the graph, first the improvement of time was very impressive. We cut down from 30 seconds to 12. Then on the second round, from second to third one, we reduced the time to 8 seconds. And on the last one, we came down to 4. But however, if we keep making more rounds, our utility of one next round would be lower and lower and lower until we reach our perfect time. So also we have a video following about how the game was actually performing. So if you're interested, keep looking.